And so he began the ritual. They said it was just a cycle. 21 minutes. Normal. Warm wash. But nothing about this was normal. First came the immersion, the cleansing flood, cold as betrayal, relentless as time. They were plunged together, united by detergent. Old enemies, new allies. Cotton, polyester, and the one forbidden silk blouse. No labels could save them now. Then, the churning. Agitation beyond reason. It tore at their fibers. Seams screamed. Buttons clattered like bones in the abyss. And as quickly as it began, it receded. Suds vanished. Hope returned. The rinse was now complete. The time had come for the spin. The final test. The proving ground. Centrifugal reckoning. Everything they were wrung out. Every stain a confession. Some gave in. Others held. Until again it slowed. The last vestiges of soapy froth receding into the machine from whence they came. When the door opened, they emerged changed, warped, wrinkled, warm, but at peace at last. Except